lived a long, full life, filled with love and care. Now God calls you home above, safe within His care. Rest in peace, Uncle Imam, with loved ones gone before, with all departed souls. Find peace